Now the right hand starts from 3 black key, the first one, so which is the G flat. So right hand, literally every note is played on the black key here. So it will be either 2 black key or 3 black key. Now the first part would be 3, 5, 1. So this chord you play, breaking up. And then the next one would be 4, 2, 4. And then the following one, 1, 5, and then you come to 2. So the fingering will be like this. And then the fourth group will be 4, 1, 5. It's better to come at 5 because the next one you have to play with 3. So it's easier to, you can play a 4 or a 5, it really doesn't matter, but if you play a 4, a kind of awkward distance, so I would recommend it to play with a 5. And the second measure would be 3, again exactly the same thing, you play an octave lower. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, or you can play 5, it really doesn't matter. And then the next one would be D flat octaves, and then A at the middle. And then the second group will be D, A, A. And then the third group, A, E. And then the last group will be A flat, E flat, E. And then the following first one will be the same E, A. And the second group, E, A. And then the third group, A, E. And then last group will be A, D, D. So except the very last one, everything. So literally the last one, measure you after the D, and then you play it, since you reach to A, you play E, and then E again, A, and then D. So the last one will be only D. Comes back again, exactly the same thing. 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 2, and then 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3. This is the one similar to the previous one. You play E flat or either A flat. E octave, and then finger number to A, and then you play it E again, and then coming back to A, but with the finger number 1, so that you can go octave higher. And then E again, and then A again with the finger number 4. 1, 1, and then the next one you play with the A but play with finger number 1. Then the next one will be 4, so that later you can play E flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the black key. Now the white key part, coming down to B, slide it down, the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exactly the same melody line in white key. It's easier actually. 3, 5, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5. That's the first pattern. And then the second line, this next measure, the second pattern will be the same thing. 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, will be either D or A. So D, A, D, and then the next one will be A. Number 1, so that you can go next to octave, and then E, E, and then now it's going up again, A, and then again A, E, D, D. So this is one of the parts similar to this one. Do you remember? The same thing. And then, so group and C, you know, that's the first one. And that's the third group. That's the fourth one. So practice by grouping it. And then comes back again, this previous one, Y key pattern 1. 5, and then 3, 5, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3. That's exactly the same as the previous one. Now, the part 3 of Y key, combination of E chord, so you just play it E octave A or A octave E. The first one will be this chord broken. E, A, and next one E, A. And then the next pattern will be E, do you see it? So this is one of the confusing part because you have to change the direction by E, A with your pinky fast. So practice a couple of times. This one. And then the next part will be D, G, again G, the pattern will be so you have 1, that's the first one, that's the second one, so group and practice. And the following one will be C, C, E, B, 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 G, A, B, 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 G, and then pattern 1 comes back again. D, G, but this time, remember the finger will be finger number 2. And 4, 1, 5, the same thing, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, and then G, and play the next one, G chord with octave. That's the right hand.